Hello, my name is Nathan Rogers, and I'm the marketing content creator here at DryZone Basement Systems, and I'd like to share an experience that really meant a lot to us. So on September 9th of 2023, we partnered with Habitat for Humanity, and this home we were working on, it was for a disabled veteran. You could say we had our hands full because it was a full waterproofing system. So we started off with clean space wall vapor barrier, and that was placed in the interior walls. This will prevent all the moisture from trying to come in. The clean space can also channel any water seepage to the water guard system that we placed inside the whole perimeter of the basement. So the water guard system is a subfloor non-clogging drainage system, collecting that seepage and channeling that seepage to the two triple safe sump pumps we installed in opposite corners for this basement. And basically those sump pumps are the powerhouse of the basement, we like to say. So that's going to pump out all the water, ensuring that basement stays bone dry. And as we were laying down the system, it kind of hit me. This was more than just preventing water getting into this basement. It felt more like serving those who served us. When I first joined DryZone Basement Systems, not only was I impressed by the expertise from everybody in each department, but their depth of commitment to giving homeowners a peace of mind and their passion for giving back. It's amazing, and I'm really glad to be a part of it. And you know, fixing a foundation is one thing, but lifting the weight off someone's shoulders is something else. It's the sense of trust and the sense of care that's really the heart of this company, and that's just something we want to keep pushing forward.
Daydream, I fell asleep amid the flowers for a couple of hours on a beautiful